Hello everyone, in this video, we'll prove that the square root of 2 is an irrational number. This is one of the most important proofs in mathematics and is often asked in school exams. By the end of this video, you'll understand what rational and irrational numbers are and learn a simple proof that root 2 cannot be expressed as a fraction. What is a rational number? A rational number can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Examples include 1 by 2, 3 by 4, and 5. What is an irrational number? An irrational number cannot be expressed as a fraction of two integers. Its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. Examples include pi and root 2. Double quotes. Theorem: root 2 is irrational. Now let's prove that root 2 is irrational. We'll use the method of contradiction. Assume that root 2 is rational. Then we can write it as p by q, where p and q have no common factors other than 1. Root 2 equals p by q. Squaring both sides gives us 2 equals p squared by q squared. Multiplying both sides by q squared gives p squared equals 2q squared. This means p squared is even. Therefore, p must also be even. Both p and q are even. If p is even, let p is equal to decay. Write, p is equal to decay. Substituting into p squared is equal to 2q squared gives 2k whole square is equal to 2q squared. 4k squared is equal to 2q squared. 2k squared is equal to q squared. This shows q squared is even, so q is also even. We found that both p and q are even. This means they have a common factor of 2. But we initially assumed that p and q had no common factors. This contradiction shows our assumption was false. Therefore, root 2 is irrational. Let's summarize. We assumed root 2 was rational, derived a contradiction, and proved that root 2 is irrational. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more mathematics proofs and exam preparation videos. Thank you for watching.